If you're anything like me, you know how easy it is to get lost in the world of tech. I spend countless hours exploring the latest gadgets, reading reviews and comparing features, always on the lookout for something that will make my daily routine smoother, or just a little more fun. But with so many options out there, it can be overwhelming to know where to start, or which products are actually worth your hard-earned money. That's why I always make it a point to check out Amazon's Today's Deals. It's like a treasure hunt for tech lovers. Hidden among the thousands of products, you'll find some real gems that are heavily discounted for a limited time. Whether you're shopping for yourself, looking for a gift, or just want to upgrade your home, these deals can help you save big on top-rated brands. Today, I stumbled upon some truly incredible discounts on trusted names like Ninja, Shark, and Philips. These are brands that have earned their reputation for quality and innovation, and seeing them on sale is always exciting. From powerful air fryers that make healthy cooking a breeze, to vacuums that tackle pet hair and dust with ease, to espresso machines that bring the cafe experience right into your kitchen, there's something here for everyone. But these aren't just ordinary gadgets, they're smart home upgrades designed to make your life easier, more efficient, and a lot more enjoyable. Imagine waking up to the smell of fresh coffee brewed automatically, or coming home to a spotless floor without lifting a finger. These devices seamlessly integrate into your daily routine, saving you time and effort so you can focus on what matters most. So, let's dive into the top 10 deals I found today. From versatile air fryers that crisp up your favorite snacks with little to no oil, to smart ovens that can bake, roast, and even air fry all in one, these products are more than just appliances. They're game changers for your kitchen and your home. I'll break down what makes each one special, how they can fit into your lifestyle, and why they're worth every penny. And if you're a coffee enthusiast like me, you won't want to miss the ultimate deal I found on a Philips espresso machine. Stick around because this one could transform your mornings and elevate your coffee game to a whole new level. Let's kick things off with the Ninja Foodi 10-quart 6-in-1 DualZone air fryer, which is currently available at an impressive 36% off. This is a significant discount on a kitchen appliance that's already a favorite among home cooks and food enthusiasts. If you've been waiting for the right moment to upgrade your kitchen setup, this deal is hard to beat. The Ninja Foodi is known for its innovative features and reliable performance, making it a standout choice for anyone looking to simplify meal prep and enjoy delicious, healthier meals at home. One of the most impressive aspects of this air fryer is its DualZone technology. With two independent baskets, you can cook two completely different foods at the same time, each with its own temperature and cooking settings. Imagine air frying crispy chicken wings in one basket while roasting seasoned vegetables in the other. No more waiting for one dish to finish before starting the next. This feature is perfect for busy weeknights, family dinners, or when you want to prepare a variety of foods for a gathering. The split-screen display makes it easy to monitor both baskets, ensuring everything cooks perfectly. The Smart Finish feature is another game-changer. It automatically syncs the cooking times of both baskets, so even if you're preparing foods that require different durations, both will be ready to serve at exactly the same moment. No more juggling timers or worrying about one dish getting cold while the other finishes. This thoughtful design takes the stress out of multitasking in the kitchen and helps you serve hot, fresh meals every time. Versatility is at the heart of the Ninja Foodi. As a true 6-in-1 device, it offers a range of cooking modes, including air broil, roast, bake, reheat, dehydrate, and of course air fry. Whether you're craving golden fries, juicy roasted meats, or even homemade dried fruit snacks, this appliance has you covered. The intuitive control panel makes it easy to switch between functions, so you can experiment with new recipes or stick to your tried-and-true favorites. With its generous 10-quart capacity, the Ninja Foodi is ideal for families, meal preppers, or anyone who loves to entertain. You can easily prepare large batches of food, making it perfect for holiday gatherings, parties, or simply feeding a hungry household. The spacious baskets mean you can cook enough for everyone in one go, saving you time and effort. Ninja has built a reputation for quality and innovation, and this air fryer is no exception. The smart features such as customizable presets and easy-to-clean components make it a joy to use. Plus, there's a wealth of online recipes and community support, so you'll never run out of inspiration for what to cook next. The sleek design and intuitive interface mean it looks great on your countertop, and is simple enough for anyone in the family to operate. At this price, The Ninja Foodi 10QT 6-in-1 DualZone Air Fryer is an unbeatable value. It's a versatile, reliable, and stylish addition to any kitchen, designed to make your cooking experience easier and more enjoyable. Whether you're a seasoned chef or just starting out, this air fryer will help you create delicious meals with less hassle and more flavor. Don't miss out on this opportunity to elevate your home cooking. Next up we have the Shark NV501 Rotator Professional Lift-Away Upright Vacuum, which is now available at an impressive 33% off. This deal makes it an excellent time to upgrade your cleaning arsenal with a vacuum that's trusted by homeowners for its performance and reliability. The NV501 stands out not just for its price, but for its innovative features and thoughtful design. One of the most convenient aspects of the Shark NV501 is its lift-away technology. With just the press of a button, you can detach the canister and instantly transform the upright vacuum into a lightweight, portable handheld unit. This makes it incredibly easy to clean stairs, upholstery, car interiors, and other hard-to-reach areas that traditional vacuums struggle with. Whether you're tackling above-floor messes or deep cleaning carpets, the NV501 adapts to your needs. For those concerned about indoor air quality, the Shark NV501 features anti-allergen complete seal technology, combined with a HEPA filter. This powerful combination captures an impressive 99.9% of dust, pet dander, and allergens, ensuring that the air in your home stays fresh and clean. It's an ideal choice for allergy sufferers or pet owners who want to minimize airborne irritants. Maneuverability is another area where the NV501 shines. Thanks to its advanced swivel steering, you can easily navigate around furniture, corners, and tight spaces without hassle. The built-in LED headlights illuminate hidden dust and debris under sofas and beds, so you never miss a spot, even in low-light areas. The Shark NV501 is designed for versatility, seamlessly transitioning between carpets, hardwood floors, and tiles. With adjustable settings, you can customize the suction power and brush roll to suit any surface in your home. This means you get a thorough clean, no matter the floor type, and can easily switch between tasks with minimal effort. With its combination of power, versatility, and user-friendly features, the Shark NV501 Rotator is a smart investment for anyone looking to upgrade their cleaning routine. Take advantage of the current discount and experience a cleaner, healthier home with less effort. At number 8, the Soday 12-piece cookware set, nearly half off. Made with non-stick granite coating, it's free from harmful chemicals. Induction ready, it works on all stovetops. The set includes essential pots and pans with ergonomic handles. A massive discount on a modern, versatile cookware set. At number 7, the BLACK+DECKER Dustbuster 20% off. It's perfect for quick cleanups with its lightweight cordless design. Strong suction power handles pet hair and debris effortlessly. Maintenance is simple with a washable filter and easy-to-empty dirt bowl. A reliable tool for spot cleaning and hard-to-reach areas. The discount makes it an even more attractive purchase. At number 6, the Craftsman V20 Max Combo Kit 32% off. Includes a drill and impact driver, essential for any DIY project. Part of the V20 cordless system with interchangeable batteries. Brushless motors and LED work lights enhance performance. A great deal for anyone looking to upgrade their toolset. At number 5, the Ninja DCT 451 Smart Double Oven, 35% off. 2 independent ovens offer incredible cooking flexibility. Smart Finish technology syncs cooking times for complete meals. 12-in-1 functionality replaces your full-size oven for most tasks. A premium appliance at a more attainable price. At number 4, a large room air purifier, 30% off. Features a true HEPA filter and activated carbon filter for comprehensive air cleaning, rated for rooms up to 600 square feet. A great investment in home health at a discounted price. At number 3, the Hyaluronic Sky Humidifier, 20% off. Large capacity and ultra-quiet operation make it perfect for bedrooms. Helps alleviate dry skin and congestion with consistent humidity. A simple, effective way to improve sleep quality. At number 2, the STYLIA V-Line Lifting Mask, 40% off. Provides a non-invasive facelift effect with collagen and hyaluronic acid. A spa-like treatment at home, perfect for self-care routines. A steep discount makes it an irresistible beauty buy. Finally, the Philips Baristina Espresso Machine, 25% off, a 3-in-1 machine with a built-in ceramic burr grinder, offers a complete coffee experience with minimal effort, a must-have for coffee lovers now more affordable. There you have it, 10 of the best Amazon deals today. From kitchen upgrades to home essentials, these discounts are hard to ignore. Remember, these deals are temporary, so act fast if something caught your eye. Links to all products are in the description. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe for more deals.